Spanish 4, Global Challenges, Vocab 91 through 95. To restore is restaurar. Has 5 of the same letters in both languages in the same order. R-E-S-T-R, R-E-S-T-R. But to help even more, notice the word restaurant is restaurante. And notice how much restaurar, to restore, looks like restaurant, restaurante. So your family owns a restaurant and you say, we've decided to restore the restaurant. Or we've decided to restaurar the restaurante. To deprive oneself is privarse, or to deprive oneself of is privarse de. Like, I don't want to deprive myself of chocolate, or she doesn't want to deprive herself of television. Notice the letters P-R-I-V. Deprive has P-R-I-V, and privarse has P-R-I-V. And also notice that it's reflexive. Because if you deprive yourself of something, who's doing the depriving? You are. And who's being deprived? You are. So it's reflexive. Solidarity is solidaridad. Solidaridad. Now, notice all the common letters. S-O-L-I-D-A-R-I, S-O-L-I-D-A-R-I. So, la, solidaridad, solidarity. Now, the tricky thing is it's feminine. It doesn't end in O or A, so it's hard. You have to memorize. Words that end in D-A-D are always feminine. Listen and repeat. But my dad's not feminine. But my dad's not feminine. Like the truth is la verdad. Or the university is la universidad. Now, to decompose or to break down is sescomponerse. Like, I put things in my compost heap so they will decompose. Okay? Or in time, that fallen down tree is going to decompose. A lot of the same letters. Population does not end in O or A, so how do you know what la población is feminine? Because words in Spanish that end in C-I-O-N are always feminine. The education, la educación. The population, la población. Okay? And words that end in C-I-O-N in Spanish always have an accent over the O that says, hey, don't stress the last vowel. Don't say población, stress me, población. And again, almost the same word. English words that end in T-I-O-N, like education, proclamation, perspiration, in Spanish turn into C-I-O-N. All right. Let's do our post quiz. I will cover up the Spanish, take a few moments, look at these English words and say the Spanish equivalents out loud, or even better, write the Spanish equivalents down on paper to make sure you can spell them correctly. This has been Spanish 4, Global Challenges, Vocab 91 through 95.